How to buy WAGMI HUB token. So this token came under the symbol of INFOFI token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before you go on and buy this token, make sure to check their account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check their community. Also, as you can see, they have 13,000 members there. So this token is available on MEXC. So what you need to do is just open your MEXC account like that, type MEXC. So if you don't have an account in MEXC, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link or create an account in MEXC to benefit from rewards. Now what you need to do, just go to the search bar and now you can type INFOFI like that. So after that, select the pair that as you can see. Now you can now click here. After that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds to load this page. Now, this token, it's on DEX Plus on the MEXC. So as you can see, this is the page that you can buy this token from. So what you need to do, you can now type the quantity by SOL like that, as you can see. So if you want to buy with SOL, as you can see. Now, after that, what you need to do, just click on SOL balance. As you can see, I don't have any fund on Solana on my account, so I can't be able to buy this token. So for you, just click here on buy and you will be able to buy this token on your account using the Solana token. So this is how to buy INFOFI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.